Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life on any 2019 and up Subaru car. Today I'm using my 2019 Subaru Forester. So this screen over here, you can cycle through all of your options on your steering wheel by pressing info. So if I press this, it'll scroll through. We're looking for this screen here. So we're going to push and hold the info button to enter into a setup. Now it's changed, so you can change your date and time here, display beep, climate control. We want maintenance. So in order to select it, we're using these buttons down here. So up and down and then I set. So I set for maintenance, engine oil. That's the oil life that we're trying to change. So hit I set again, notification distance. So now we can go through, change the date, time. You can set this up here, hit set, you can change it to whatever you want to, hit update, and then go back. And that'll reset your maintenance reminders for your oil life. You can also do the same for your oil filter. Cycle through using these buttons yet again on your steering wheel. Go back. And tires, so rotate your tires typically every 10,000 kilometers, so you can change that as well, all from that menu. And go back, and there's also a maintenance schedule in there. And then after you hit go back, you can go back to that main menu, and here, pressing info, go back to all your normal screens. There we go. Hope you find this video helpful. I know I was looking around for this for a little bit when I did my oil change and tire rotation at home. Typically they'll just do this for you at the dealership, but if you're doing it yourself, you're going to need this. I hope this helps out. Like and subscribe for more.